Welcome to Not Factory Approved, the site where I show you creative ways to get into trouble, and sometimes creative ways to get out of trouble. Today, I'll be showing you overhaul of this small table saw. It again has a universal motor, like the other motors I've done, the Thor drill, the vacuum cleaner. So today I'll show you this one. It's a little bit different, and more powerful, of course. Basically the same idea. So this is a lesser repair as far as overhauling the motor is concerned. Change it from being very noisy to being only medium noisy. Hope you enjoy. Blown off the motor housing, and this end piece, just rubbed it with emery cloth, but in one direction since it's quite flat, so it doesn't need to be turned. I just wanted to take some of the carbon off of it. Now this one, it has a roller needle bearing down in there, and it looks okay. It is a bit noisy if you push it down on a surface where it can sort of reverberate. So I will see if I can find out if this bearing is any good or not. I'm going to try pulling this off first. Need a 2-jaw puller for this one. I have a 3-jaw the same size, but obviously it can't grip beveled. So I'll pull that off, see what the bearing's like. I think I'm going to use discretion. Better part of making mistakes. I'm going to leave this. I've put a lot of force with the 2-jaw puller, and it hasn't moved at all. I don't really want to use heat on it. We'll see how it sounds, I guess. I might have to take it apart again and try it with more aggressive means, but for now I'm going to take the chicken's way out. So I'm just going to clean this out, re-grease it, re-grease the gear. I've driven on the back bearing, which was quite easy. Now this one's a little more tricky. Oil on the shaft, a punch with a nice square edge. It doesn't tend to slip. Very carefully tap it all the way down. It doesn't take much. It doesn't have to be driven hard. Helps to put them on the right end first. This one does not get the big bearing. This one does. Now this one doesn't go all the way. Looks like it's made for a circlip actually, but I didn't see one there when I took it apart. I'll leave it flush with the end for now. I've taken the brush assemblies out. So I'll keep them the same way they were. Let's go this way. Spring washer has to go into the bottom. Could be a bit tricky. Gravity's your friend, I guess. There, it's in position. Now this one goes in. Yeah, that should work. Going into plastic. Be careful not to burr the ends of the gear. Just tapping very gently. Now I'll put this assembly on. Put the screws in. This will hold it in position, but I don't have to worry about that falling out. Turns, and then has to go that way. That mystery is solved. That one's in position. This one, the other thing is that it has this step. Indicates exactly which way it has to go. The table saw has been reassembled. Put the motor back in. The new bearings in the motor itself. I did not replace that bearing, which I'm not sure is noisy. There's a bit of play though on the shaft, So I'm not sure if I need to do something with that. And it is definitely quieter than it was. Let's run the test. Test number 1. Seems a little bit growly, but I think that's the gears. It is definitely not as noisy as it was. So, an improvement.